Delta Bravo 0 over to ground, 6-0.
Number 803, Romeo Lima flight, runway 18, you're clear for takeoff, right turn of course approved.
We're heading, approach show.
West 12 at your 12 o'clock, about 2 miles ahead of you, that's turning to the down when you got him in sight.
In sight, sir.
84316, no delay, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
84316, clear for takeoff.
Go ahead, 9 altimeter 3007.
3007, 8 November.
This is 722 Mike Alpha, going to make right traffic.
Right traffic, 722 Mike Alpha.
Sport Cruiser 2 Sierra Charlie, maintain VFR Hannibal 2,000 feet, start your left turn on course.
Stable 2000, left turn on course, 572 Sierra Charlie.
FAA maintenance is going to be more than a minute.
I completely understand. I've been doing this a long time, so whatever. I mean, it's fine. FAA maintenance.
Thank you for being patient with me. Departure 349 Delta, stay on the down when I'll call your base.
You'll call base, 49 Delta.